I'm on my way to Sam's Club, so I'm going to be picking up some Halloween treats. And I'm going to go ahead and record because I want you guys to see that there are other options besides candy. Now, we typically give out candy, but we have noticed that the neighborhood children are getting less and less. So let's go ahead and drive out there, and then I'll show you what I end up deciding on. Okay, so right off the bat, I got a little distracted, but I did want to show you this item. It's sriracha almonds. We've been having trouble finding sriracha, so if you are too, this is an alternative. So here we have Knott's Berry Farms little cookies. They have 36 packages, and they're strawberry and raspberry. And these are only $9.82. And here we have Betty Crocker. These are called Dunkaroos, and there are 30 treats in this box, and they are only $13.98. These Cheez-Its are actually flavored. One is cheddar with sour cream and onion, and the other one is double cheese. You get 42 packages for $14.48. Pirate's Booty has 40 packages of these aged white cheddar cheese snacks, and these are only $12.16. Next we have Chex Mix, and this comes with 42 bags, and these are only $16.24. Next we have Pop Chips, and these are 32 a box, and you've got 3 flavors: sea salt, barbecue, and sour cream and onion, and these are only $14.98. We've got Grandma's Cookies. It's a big variety mix. There's 36. And this box is only $12.98. Okay, so along the same lines, we've got Pillsbury chocolate chip cookies, and these are the soft bake ones. This one has 28 pouches, and it's only $10.48. And they actually had 2 flavors. This Goldfish box also has 2 flavors, and they have 45 packages. I'm struggling here a little. There you go. And this box is only $14.58. Now here we have Ritz crackers. Now they are individually packaged. You've got 6 crackers in each little package, and you've got 45 packs, and these are $10.38. Here are something a little more nutritious, Fiber One. They only have 70 calories, and these are the chocolate brownies, or the chocolate fudge brownies. And you get 40 brownies for $14.28. Here we've got the Pepperidge Farms little cookies. They've got a variety pack also, and these are $11.64. Now if you want something a little healthier as well, here we've got some Veggie Puffs. They have 3 different flavors. I believe there were 6 altogether, 2 different boxes. They each had 30, and they were $14.48. Oh, and here's another veggie chips. These are actually in the shape of ghosts and bats, and it's the sea salt flavored. You get 40 bags in this box for $14.98. And now I haven't heard of these. These are called Toddies, I guess. And they look to be like a spicy with lime type of chip. And they are 30 packages. They're on sale right now for $11.98. Here's another healthy alternative. It's called Belvita. You get 36 packages, 3 different flavors, and these are $12.68. Oh, well, didn't mean to make you dizzy. Here we've got the Mott's fruit snacks. There's 36 packages, and these are only $12.98. Okay, and now we've got some Gardettos. There are 42 packages in this box for $16.24. And then here is another box with spicy items: barbecue, salt, pepper, and original. It's called Max Chicharrones, and $14.98. And then you've got, this one's a big variety pack. They call it the Game Time pack. So it's got Pop-Tarts and Cheez-Its and Pringles. So there's quite a bit in here. For 38 packs, you pay $14.48. Here we have some pretzels. This one's, I believe, the largest box of items. It's got 60 packages, and these are only $14.98. Here we've got Skinny Pop popcorn. There's 36 bags. These actually say for trick or treat, so I think, people are definitely jumping on board for $13.98. And these circus animals were actually my dad's favorite. So there are 30 packages, and he used to work for Frito-Lay, and he would give out little bags of chips at Halloween time. So for those 30 packages, you pay $12.28. Quaker also has this Rice Crisps. This is a healthier snack. There's 36 packages. They're popped, never fried, but they're different flavors, and they are $16.98. So this is actually packaged for Halloween. These are pretzels in the shape of bats and pumpkins. And these are also by the same brand, and these are mini cheddar cheese balls, and these are $7.48. Okay, so here we're looking at the Fig Newtons. You get 24 packages for $10.38. And now you've got Cheetos flavored shots. These look to be on the flaming hot flavored ones. You get 24 packages for $14.98. And here, this one's 90 pouches. Actually, this is the biggest one. This one's Monster Mash, and they're fruit flavored snacks. And for this box, you only pay $12.12. Now, Frito-Lay does have a lot of variety. So this box has 50 bags, and I believe they were all the same price for $18.48. And here they have a flavor mix. Also has 50 bags. This one's a Dorito. This one's called the Premier Mix. This one only has 30 bags. This is the variety mix, and that one also has 30 bags. This Premier box has 30 bags. And again, these are all the same price. Here's the Lay's mix. This is a little more of the original flavors. And if you're looking for something a little healthier, here are some baked chips. Also by Frito-Lay, this is a 30 count. And then also this box, but this is the Flaming Hot mix. And this one also has 30. These next two boxes have 50 little bags. This is more of like a snack size bag, and they're just slightly higher. They're $18.98, and that's for the Doritos and the classic Lay's potato chips. Now this is a different brand, Miss Vicky's. You've got jalapeno, sea salt and vinegar, and then the Smokehouse Barbecue. These are 30 bags for $18.48. And in case you haven't bought your pumpkin yet, here they have them. I swung back around just to show you for $6.98. And to give you just a couple of fall items, this I thought was adorable. It is a big ceramic bowl filled with pancake mix and some other items for the kitchen. And then here are a couple of their wreaths that they still have. All right, so it's really bright out today, so I went ahead and decided to record once I got home, but this is what I ended up picking up. I got the Cheez-Its with the 45 bags in it, and if for some reason we don't get that many children, I know my kids will definitely eat this up. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know if you end up going with a candy alternative, and maybe we'll have other ideas for next year. Anyway, I hope that you have a great day. Remember to like and subscribe, and definitely hit that notification bell so that when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. All right, we'll see you next time.